Alright, you base?
No, I'm in the back of a fucking truck in the bed of it with my rifle pointed out, hoping I don't get fucking blown up by a machine gun or 810.
Oh boy. I'll just go ahead and get a little bird down. I can't believe they let me land in the middle of the city like that.
We just drove our asses right into the city. Nobody stopped us.
Hopefully I can fly in then. I love how when you fire a chopper, it's like a dinner bell for everybody that's in the base. They all just start running for you. Takers. Nope. Okay. I'm bringing in 2 guys for reinforcements. Are you in a decent spot? Can I land by you?
Yeah. We got a bunch of guys here with us.
Yeah, I'd say.
I met a bunch of our guys.
Fuck, that was an epic fucking landing. Did you see that shit? I put that fucking bird, like, hot as fuck down right next to you, dude. In between all the buildings. Those guys are like shitting their fucking pants. Oh, behind.